1, 2, 3, 4. Hey guys, I'm Vasco and today we're taking a look at one relatively new and very cool song by the band called Stardust, and I think this is their only song. I'm not really sure about that. At least it's their only song in their YouTube channel, but it is super catchy. It has plenty of remixes out there, and today we're doing it on the uke. So I'll show you how to do it on a high G string ukulele. We are kind of in between the keys because the original recording is pitched up or down, I don't know, but it's in between keys, but we'll do it at a normal tuning. All right, grab your uke and let's go. All right, let's first see the chords. We need the chord of E minor 7 and then F major 7. But I'm strumming it up because the highest tone is on the G string here. Okay? So we repeat E minor to F major 7 3 times, and then on the 4th time we go to G to A minor. But also I'm putting the pinky on the 3rd fret of the A string. Alright? Now let's see what is the groove. So on E minor 7 I'm doing down, up, and really quickly grabbing the F major 7 where I'm doing an up strum. All right? And 3rd time, the same thing but with G and A minor, and the A minor is with the down strum. All right? And also one little element, if you have a friend with the 2nd ukulele, he or she can do this. All right? Just barring on the 12th fret right here, playing just the C, E, and A string and doing down, up, but the question is where? So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 ba-da, 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 ba-da. Ooh, baby, seems like music sounds better with you, baby. Love might bring us back together and I feel good, baby. Seems like music sounds better with you, baby. Love might bring us back together, yeah. Alright, so pretty much this is repeated throughout the whole song. The bass is doing some other stuff, but the chords that are laying behind are basically just the same, with the exception that in the intro you're not going through G and A minor, you're just staying on E minor to F major 7. Just staying like this for, I don't know, I think 16 times or 32 times, I don't know. But it is something that you can divide by 4, definitely. So it is a simple song, but it's super catchy. Play around with it and also feel free to change it up. You can make it faster or slower. Ooh, baby, feels like music sounds better with you, baby. Love might bring us back together and I feel good. Basically just keep the 1st chord shorter than the 2nd chord and do whatever you want after that. Ooh. Ooh, baby, feels like Music sounds better with you, baby. Love of mine, bring us back together, and I feel good, baby. Yeah, feels like music sounds better with you, baby. Hey, love of mine, bring us back together. Yeah. Alright, I guess this sums it up. It's a super simple song, but I think it's really catchy. So add it to your set list and let me know how people react on this one. Alright, see you on the next one. Goodbye.